Now, I would like to show you one feature that is most beloved from our event organizers, and that is the push notifications. Yes, you can send push notifications to your visitors, and I will show you now how it looks to create like your very first push notifications. So I will click on new notification, and here again, as always, it's so amazing. You can just say like what do you want to push to your audience? For example, attention, event is starting soon. And then you write a little description. Hey fellas, get ready. The doors are opening in just 30 minutes from now. Why do we do that? Because activation, activation, activation will drive your event success. So the more you get a hold of your users that ideally, of course, already have the Visit app on their phones, the more successful your event will be. So please use the push notification possibility. A lot of users empower you to do it. They say, yes, okay, the organizer can send me push notifications. Please make use of it. It's so helpful. Now we created the first push notification. We can create an image for with AI. So when they click on the push notification, something cool is happening. Are opening from a really cool and innovative event venue. You can say you want to have it in a photographic style. We see what the AI is giving us here. So you have a picture that is fitting to what you want to say with that push notification. People are opening, yeah, opening doors. We save the image, we will use it. And now we see the preview. Cool. We can even add it to the phone preview, which is so amazing. We can say, is there any content linked, for example, a map, a showcase, or a guided tour? So we can even make it cooler. Maybe there's a story about the opening event. Maybe there's a program point about it. You can select it here. It's so amazing. And like this, you have like one of the coolest push notification features out there in the market. And now you can schedule it. You can say at what time, or you can send it to the users immediately. I'm going to go back and not publish it because who knows who will get it. And yes, so this is one example of the push notification. On a client example, I can show you how they did it, how many push notifications, for example, they have. You see they have like pushed certain keynotes again to the audience, certain areas with special offerings, price announcements when there were people who could win like first, second place for something on the stage, and so on. So there's a lot of things you can push to your audience to make the event experience even better. Thank you for listening. I hope you love the push notification feature just as much as we do. Keep scrolling, keep checking out UpVisit. We're sure your event will be so much better with UpVisit.